Oh my gosh, it smells delicious. Whether you have must or just want to go gluten-free, it can be challenging.
Absolutely, yep. Our next guest has made it her mission to make it easier with multiple cookbooks. Yep, her latest is Eat Happy Italian, and cooking up a recipe with us is best-selling cookbook author, comedian, and voice actor. And wow, that's a lot.
That's a lot.
Anna
of
Vocino's here.
A lot of jobs.
Hello, are you going to do all three right now?
No. No vocal warm-ups necessary.
No.
I am making a chicken parm for you guys because you'll never find a gluten-free, low-carb chicken parm out in the wild. So let's make it better than restaurant quality right now.
Okay. And here I thought this was the wild.
This is, yeah, we're in it.
This is the wild.
This is the
wild.
We're
in Midtown Manhattan. It's the wild. Have you ever spiralized a noodle?
Every day.
I don't.
Every day.
Have you ever spiralized? I've actually done this.
You talked to me about zoodles.
You never spiralized?
I've never spiralized.
Let's have Marisol do it.
Should I pop my spiralizing?
You haven't lived till you spiralize a zucchini.
It's supposedly...
Yeah,
she's
suctioned
we do.
It's a
blast. Like this.
So she just gave her a little trim at the top.
I lean.
Oh, wow, you lean.
Because this particular spiralizer is not cooperating.
How about that shot?
On the air.
There you go.
Wow.
Yep, do
Look
it.
at that, see?
Yeah.
And it's supposed to come up with some here, you spin the thing. I'm
Okay,
going to hold it down.
You
want to do the whole thing? Okay, do it.
I've never leaned before.
Lean back.
Let's continue
like the terror squad.
It's fine. I mean, there we go. Look at this. Diaphanous ribbons.
Diaphanous ribbons.
Spiral. Now, Ben says his wife eats these.
It's just not going anywhere. We need a plate. Here, put it in the...
It's supposed to go here.
This is gorgeous.
Isn't it pretty?
Look what you did. You did
and then we would saute the noodles. Now, you know to sweat the zucchini, right?
Yes. Do you salt her and sweat her?
I salt her and sweat her and dab her dry.
That's what my husband does to me every time I come home from work.
She does get salted a lot.
Unbelievable. Okay.
We do not want soggy zucchini. Nobody enjoys that. So the way we get around that is salt it, sweat it, cook it, dab it dry, then cook it. Now, our chicken cutlets, this is the main event right here, right?
Yeah.
So we have almond flour. I did a little egg wash. I seasoned it. You can see the little flecks of parsley in there.
Time. Because I love the kitchen.
Ma'am.
You took the regular breadcrumbs.
That's right. We're not doing regular breadcrumbs.
This is almond flour.
It's almond flour.
And it still gave you that crunch?
It sure did. It sure did. Listen, it takes a steady hand.
Okay.
So you can kind of see how the coating wants to flake off a little bit. So, but if you just gentle with it, low and slow, we cook it up. I use thin cut. Chicken cutlets, because we wanted to cook through evenly, right? This was a little sizzly earlier, but
it's still delicious.
It smells very fragrant. So now I would love it if you guys would help me assemble the chicken parm. So we have the low carb of it all right here.
Right.
So it's not just gluten-free, it is low carb.
Great.
And if you want to go even lower carb, because some people want to do that, you can grind up pork rinds.
What?
Hi. Oh, hello.
He magically appeared over there. Pork rinds?
I want you to please.
Use fresh mutts?
Fresh mutts.
Not too moist?
No, you can pat that dry as well.
Look at the two of us are asking. We're questioning the cookbook author, the voice actor, the actor, the everything.
So wait, just pop it on top?
Yeah, let's watch the technique.
How's he doing? How's he doing?
I like a copious. See, I approve of this level of cheese.
You want to use 2 slices per
Yes.
thingy.
Okay.
That's what I do.
And honestly, if there's any naked chicken, I would put more.
Look at this. It's a perfect the butt of the mutts.
Yeah, the butt of the mutts.
Mutts butt. Here, I'm just going to do like a third right there.
Why not?
Because we don't have an oven, so what are we doing?
And then the marinara.
Now, here's the deal.
Please.
Oh, wait, hold on. You do mutts then marinara.
I do.
Oh, interesting.
Because I don't want this to get soggy.
Okay, I gotcha.
Right? So I put it on top, and then we'll put it in the oven.
Right.
Okay? So why don't you do the honors? I've pre-opened it, even though I know you're very strong.
Thank you.
I know you're about to shake it all over me.
Sorry.
It's very fragile.
It was great being here.
Listen. So I always say, if you're going to use a jarred sauce, make sure you check the label for no sugar added. We're all trying to eat less sugar.
Thank you.
Much sugar
right?
in sauce.
Yes.
So much sugar in sauce. Don't do it. If it uses a nice tomato, it doesn't need
That's
the sugar.
right. It doesn't need the sugar.
Or you can make it homemade from a recipe in my cookbook.
You can do that.
This is lovely. Can we talk real quick about the Mrs. Potato Head of it all, Toy Story 5? Hello.
Yeah. It's a pretty cool life thing to be able to be in a Pixar movie. And to step into the late, great Estelle Harris's shoes is incredible. And I'm now the voice of Mrs. Potato Head in Toy Story 5.
Unbelievable.
I'm taking a picture of this recipe because I like it.
I mean, I'm sure if you ask her nicely, she may give it to you.
I don't want to take it, but I feel bad.
You could also just go to the bookstore and buy it.
It requires effort. I'm not
Unbelievable. Anna, thank you so much.
Oh my gosh.
For providing lunch for all of us.
Thank you. We're gonna finish that off with some parm. We're gonna cut it up and eat it. Get you guys some snacks.
You've made a believer out of me. I'm gonna do
so
this.
easy.
Parmesan.
Parmesan. Piacere.
Anna will be signing copies of her cookbook this Saturday from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. on the Gristedes on Columbus and 84th.
It's a great Gristedes.
It is a great Gristedes.
I can't wait.
Are you going to, as samples?
Yeah, I'll be doing sauce samples. It'll be wonderful.
And the whole thing.
It's going to be saucy.
Look at you. Look at this guy.
This guy.
E parmigiano.
Fresh pepper?
Sì.
Sì.
Sì, per
Dimmi,
favore.
dammi.